Can't get sharp photos with your Sony Alpha? We're here to help you. Welcome to our guide on how to focus with your camera. We'll walk you through the 5 key steps to get your subjects in perfect clarity, whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or fast action. Step 1. Choose your focus mode. First, power on your Sony A6500. Press the FN function button located on the back of your camera to bring up the function menu. Use the control wheel to navigate to the focus mode option. Here, you can choose from several modes like AFS, Single Shot AF, AFC, Continuous AF, AFA, Automatic AF, or DMF, Direct Manual Focus, depending on your subject and shooting conditions. Step 2. Select a focus area. After setting the focus mode, return to the function menu by pressing the FN button again. This time, navigate to the focus area setting. You can choose from options like Wide, Zone, Center, Flexible Spot, and Expand Flexible Spot. Each option serves different shooting scenarios, allowing you to focus on subjects that are centrally located, off-center, or moving. Step 3. Activate the focus. Aim your camera at the subject you wish to focus on. Half-press the shutter button to activate the autofocus. The camera will then focus on the subject within the selected focus area. Step 4. Fine-tune with manual focus. If you need more precise control over focus, switch to manual focus or DMF by selecting it from the focus mode menu. In DMF mode, after autofocusing with a half press of the shutter button, you can manually adjust the focus by turning the focus ring on your lens until the desired sharpness is achieved. Step 5. Confirm focus and take the shot. Once you are satisfied with the focus, press the shutter button fully to take the photo. That's all it takes to master focusing with your Sony A6500. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to capturing beautifully sharp images.